Good morning from the quarantine. One of the comments that I received about the transfer tank was, how's it holding up? You got anything you do different? How's all the equipment working? So I'm going to do a quick review of that. Just to show you where it's at right now and what I do a little bit different, and I'm still going to do a little bit different. But so here we go. All right, so the first thing is, this is what it sounds like inside here if the motor isn't running when I'm transferring. You can barely hear it. So, see what I'm saying? So that's a thing that works great. So you can hardly hear it, so you got to pay attention to it. But here's what it sounds like underneath here. Not too bad at all. And as you can tell, nothing's leaking out. So all that's working great. All right, continuing on in here. I filled the tank up, and one of the issues that I need to take care of is the vent. I didn't put a tube on it, so it splashed out, as you can tell. That's where all that diesel came from. The other item that I have an issue with is to fit it in where I want it to fit it, because of the wheel wells and everything. I had it pretty damn close to the back of the bed. So, as you can tell, it hits the bed. I would try and move it out towards the rear of the bed a little bit more if I could now, but you know, it is what it is. And because I did this to make sure that I could put my tonneau cover over it, the actual bed, or the box of the toolbox, is not incredibly large, but it is big enough, as you can see, to put my hitches in, my fifth wheel bag, toolbox, and jumper cable. So we're good there. But yeah, those are a couple things. Small size box and too close to the back of the bed. Now down here, haven't had any issues with the pump or the solenoid. I have run a half a tank through here because I did fill it up, which is why it splashed out. But with that being said, it has worked flawlessly. I used it when we went camping. I used it just driving around. So it works great. It doesn't work fast, but it works great. So if you're on a long trip and you don't feel like stopping, you can just flip the switch and it starts filling up the tank. So that's that. So underneath here, as you can tell, I've had 0 leaks. I put the power cable far enough out of the way so that it's not caught on anything. You know, it's gone great so far. I mean, I have no complaints, no real leaks except for that overflow valve. And you know, I could probably tighten this up some, but like I said, I've been extremely happy with it, except for those couple of items, which has nothing to do with the box itself and all about my installation. So the short-term review is, I really enjoy it. I really like it. Hopefully we'll get off the pandemic here pretty quick and I can use it on some long trips camping. This summer we were supposed to go to Washington, D.C. from Louisiana, so I was going to get to use it a lot, but I don't know how that's going to go or not go. But anyways, as always, I really appreciate everybody's support. And you know, just keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and I'll keep making them because it's something to do and I enjoy it. So have a great day.